Tesla analyst maintains $500 price target. Tesla received fresh support from Piper Sandler this week after analysts toured the Fremont Factory and tested the company's latest full self-driving software. The firm reaffirmed its $500 price target, stating that FSD V14 delivered a notably smooth robotaxi demonstration and may already perform at levels comparable to, if not better than, average human drivers. The team also met with Tesla leaders for more than an hour to discuss autonomy, chip development, and upcoming deployment plans. Analysts highlight autonomy progress during more than 75 minutes of focused discussions. Analysts reportedly focused on FSD V14's updates. Piper Sandler's team pointed to meaningful strides in perception, object handling, and overall ride smoothness during the robotaxi demo. The visit also included discussions on updates to Tesla's in-house chip initiatives, its Optimus program, and the growth of the company's battery storage business. Analysts noted that Tesla continues refining cost structures and capital expenditure expectations, which are key elements in future margin recovery, as noted in a Yahoo Finance report. Analyst Alexander Potter noted that we think FSD is a truly impressive product that is probably already better at driving than the average American. This conclusion was strengthened by what he described as a flawless robotaxi ride to the hotel. Street targets diverge on TSLA. While Piper Sandler stands by its $500 target, it is not the highest estimate on the street. Wedbush, for one, has a $600 per share price target for TSLA stock. Other institutions have also weighed in on TSLA stock as of late. HSBC reiterated a reduce rating with a $131 target, citing a gap between earnings fundamentals and the company's market value. By contrast, TD Cowen maintained a buy rating and a $509 target, pointing to strong autonomous driving demonstrations in Austin and the pace of software-driven improvements. Stifel analysts also lifted their price target for Tesla to $508 per share over the company's ongoing robotaxi and FSD programs. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.